everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm Anita. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you watch this video to the end to see the outcome of this video. So today's video, I'm going to show you the best method to wash your snail. If you buy a snail from the market or you bought a snail from the market, the best way to wash it so that you will get the best taste when you use it to cook soup, I'm going to show you the method. So please, if you have not subscribed, like I said before, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, on the bell for notification for more video, and watch to the end. The outcome was amazing, and if you follow this step to wash your snail, lovers of snail, you're gonna like the outcome. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you very much once again for supporting Anita Babe TV. Watch to the end. Thank you for your support. One love.
Where you come from, the number